This is Matt Cernecker. I'm here with Comics Online, and we are covering Stargate Universe. I'm here with Robert Carlyle and Elena Huffman, stars of the upcoming Stargate Universe series. Guys, can you talk about your characters and the developments that we can expect in the first season?
I play Lieutenant Johansson, and she is a medic aboard the ship. She, like everyone else, gets thrown into this experience, and we're sort of along for the ride on the Destiny and exploring the far end of the universe. We have very limited supplies, and I get thrown into the position of sort of being the caretaker and the doctor, per se, even though she's just a medic, and it's very overwhelming. And along with all the drama that happens and all the action and adventure, we have real life, you know, on the ship. My favorite part, next episode, I get to see my quarters for the first time. It's really exciting to me because I've never seen them. So we have quarters, and we have showers, and we have a mess hall, and we're figuring out how to eat and how to breathe, and we're making bonds, and we're making enemies, and it's very character driven in that way as well. So it's exciting.
I play Dr. Rush. Dr. Rush is the chief scientist on the ship, and his remit, I guess, is to get them home. Or is it? Maybe he doesn't want to go home. Maybe he's quite happy up there. So this is the problem with Rush and everyone else in the crew. In actual fact, is that they don't trust the guy at all. I think he would be quite happy up there in his own. In actual fact, but he needs them. Otherwise, he'd let them all go.
When I said we make enemies,
The plot thickens. I guess the last question would be, what excites you guys about this series? What's been the most exciting thing for you that you've gotten to do so far?
Well, I mean, for me, it's an opportunity to do some science fiction. I've never done that before, and I think this is very different. I think it's certainly it's not. We have to doff our hats to SG1 and Atlantis, because without them we wouldn't be here. But it's a very, very different thing, and I'm very proud to be part of something which is going to change this franchise and shake it up quite a bit.
for me, it's really exciting to join the franchise. I actually wasn't very familiar with Stargate, the franchise, prior to this. I mean, I knew it existed. Who didn't, or who doesn't? but I didn't watch it, and so just to kind of be thrown into this and then experience all that Stargate has to offer is really phenomenal. And you know, we've got Brad and Robert heading the ship, and that's fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You're at
you.
Comics Online.